Oh, the pretty one flew away.
When you go to a nature center and just film all the animals.
Ooh, that's a tail feather. Right in the shot. Hi.
Hi, you're an animal too.
Yeah. You are correct. Is correct information. Oh, there's that dove again.
Oh, look at the two birds. They're like,
Oh,
hello.
it looks even smaller next to that one.
I know.
There's a small one on the bird feeder where you can actually see it.
Oh, hey, little guy. Hello.
A-grade YouTube.
When you're just like, hey, let's film all these birds and then talk over it.
That bird butt.
Yeah, that bird booty. You got a big birdie booty.
Look at the chipmunk. Oh, chipmunk. Chipmunk. Oh, he's so cute. And that tiny bird over by that log. And all those yellowbirds. There's a lot of yellowbirds. I want that red-headed woodpecker to come back. That was pretty.
It was.
But the mean guy scared it away.
The mean guy.
Yeah, the mean guy.
And it's a bird.
It's a mean guy bird. Because it was pretty colored, so it must have been a guy.
Oh, look at the bird in the water.
What? Oh, he's taking a little bath. Take a bath.
Splish around.
Come on, do it. It'll be cute. Ooh, there's yellow ones right here.
Who? Oh, you're right.
We see you. You look fabulous. Watching that bird to see if it... Oh, I took a bath.
Oh, it did?
Do it again. Oh! Clean his feathers.
Do it again. Hey, there, there.
He's a flappy boy.
Yeah, happy boy.
A flappy, happy boy. So that's probably a girl.
Oh, here. Look at this little bird over here.
Not as cute as the one taking a bath.
Yeah, but look,
He's
it's like...
digging.
He dig. He fly, he peck, but most importantly, he dig.
He's like digging by moving forwards and then backwards really quick.
I know.
Hi, buddy. Oh, bye. Jeez.
Just, oh.
You don't have to be rude.
Oh, look at the birdie.
Oh, he take a bath again. Oh, he a splashy boy.
When you hear a child scream outside.
Child, you're interrupting our video. Whoa, look at that bird. The one on that tree over there. The thin tree.
Oh.
Fat bird on the thin tree.
Oh, the fat bird on the thin tree?
Yeah, it's so pretty.
That's a
Flew
dove.
away. It's still pretty.
Oh, I know why there's kids yelling, because there's kids over there.
Oh. Guys.
Oh my god, there's a chipmunk over there.
What? Where? I don't see a chipmunk. Where?
He's underneath the bird feeder that the yellowbirds were on.
Oh.
Oh.
It's because you're tall.
Oh, well, it's not my fault I'm a moose.
Yeah, well.
Like, seriously, it's not my fault I'm a...
Oh!
No, it hit!
Did you know that when birds hit windows, they're mostly attacking their reflections?
Well, there's a fact at the end of the video. Good job, Danny. Why'd you do that tongue thing that Phil does?
I don't know. I keep doing that. I don't even know why.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna meet Phil one day and do that. Dan's just gonna be like, that's the thing you do.
Oh my gosh, the chipmunk is still under there.
There's another chipmunk right there.
What? Oh! When you hit the glass. Hello, buddy. You are very interesting. Oh my gosh, look at
That
you.
bird over there is checking out that yellow bird.
What bird?
The brown bird next to the yellow bird.
Oh, that?
He's totally checking him out.
Totally checking him out.
He is. He's like,
Hey, what you got there, shorty?
what you doing over there? The yellow birds are so pretty. Oh, he's eating. He's got big fat cheeks.
Best thing I can do with this camera is there's this button that I can like take a picture on. And like I can take a picture during the video. This fucking bird's still over here.
He's got his cheeks full. Oh my god. He's filling his cheeks. It's so cute.
There. Okay. Oh! Did you see him dart? Well,
His cheeks are so full. It's so cute.
that's the end of the video. Hope you liked
Oh.
it. Birds.
Aw. Don't forget about you have to shout out the chipmunk. Jeez. Totally forgot to shout out the chipmunk. He's gonna feel so offended when he watches the video.
When you go one.
When you pretend that birds are gonna watch the video.
Start the show.
Burb. I'm just over here like, this is already a 6-minute video, but birds. Ooh, there's a squirrel.
Oh, damn.
Squirrel.
A squirrel.
A squirrel. Oh, he took a seed and he flew away. That was a bird. Hello, squirrel. What you doing? Ooh, he jumped.
I forgot how to spell Chippewa.
He jumped. Everyone on YouTube is gonna see that you forgot how to spell Chippewa.
Yeah, I don't care. Okay. Just because I forgot how to spell Chippewa doesn't mean my life is over.
That fluffy tail. He looks so fluffy. He somehow looks fluffier on camera. This photogenic boy. He's so fluffy. That was a noise. Jeez. Aw. Hi, burb. You're a pretty burb. Look at this pretty burb. Sammy.
What?
Look at this pretty burb.
Oh, but he's sitting there with it in his mouth.
He knows he's on camera. That's why.
He's posing.
Yep. It's a video.
We're posing.
It's a video, bub. You can move. Aww. How are you gonna eat that while you're... It's bigger than your beak. How are you... Oh, you're just gonna shove it back in there. Okay. You're gonna... Oh. Are you picking it up or are you putting it back to eat it?
Putting it back, pecking it, and then pecking it to break apart, and then eating it.
My camera's like facing down.
I know, it's because you're just...
It's because I'm trying to look at the bird, not pay attention to what I'm filming. Oh.
Oh.
Bye. Aww. There's a little chickadee by the water. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee. What is that? Why are those birds so weird? She's like walking like...
Those are doves.
But she's walking like this.
I know. And you doing that looks weird on camera.
Yeah, I know. It's just moving the camera. It's fun. Ooh.
Don't put me in the shot.
You fluffy boy.
Don't put me in the shot.
It's already a 9-minute video.
What?
It's already a 9-minute video. Jump scare.
I've been accepted to Hogwarts.
Shout out to all the ads out there. I'm gonna make this a 10-minute video. That seems long enough. Oh, it flew away.
Owl. Oh, it's asking me if I'm a witch or wizard. Excuse
Why are
me.
you tapping on the window? Boy, what are you... Do you hate yourself that much?
Excuse me, son.
Calm down, buddy. You're beautiful, okay? You're beautiful. Don't attack your reflection. Okay, bye. Oh! bird does not like that squirrel. Burps it.
Maybe-
Ooh! Cardinals! Oh, it's Ron. Ron Weasley. Ooh, he got a tuft. Look at that.
Oh, it's lifting it.
He's a tuffy boy. So cute. So cute.
Do you think he works at Tuffy?
No, he's a bird. Aww. We should probably end this video.